Listen up, because this is the kind of message people ignore until they're 65, tired, broke, and wishing they heard it sooner. Today, we're talking about investing, not the boring textbook version, but the real, raw, ruthless reality of why your future depends on it. Let's begin with a hard truth. If you're not investing, you're already losing. Inflation is eating your money alive, like termites on wood. Your bills don't care about your feelings, and life will not hand you wealth just because you're a good person. Money grows for the people who plant it, not the people who wait for it. You know what most people do? They say, I'll start later. I'll invest when I make more money, when the time is right, and then 5 years pass. Then suddenly they're older, stuck, stressed, and praying for a miracle that never comes. Let me be ruthless with you. If you don't build your future, someone else will hire you to build theirs. Investing isn't for rich people. It's for people who want to become rich. Rich in freedom, rich in choices, rich in peace of mind. Money that works for you is the best employee you will ever have. Think about it. Your dollars can work harder than you ever could. They don't sleep. They don't take breaks. They don't complain. They don't call in sick. But most people treat their money like temporary guests instead of permanent workers. They spend every single dollar the moment it arrives. You know what that is? It's financial self-sabotage in real time. Investing is the exact opposite. It's you finally saying, I'm done working for money. It's time money starts working for me. And the earlier you start, the more your money multiplies. This isn't motivation. This is mathematics. This is the power of compound interest, and it's the most powerful force in the financial universe. And here's a secret. Investing is not about being smart. It's about being consistent. You do not need to be a genius. You just need discipline. The people who win in investing are not the ones screaming, buy, 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 like they're in a movie. They're the boring ones. The consistent ones, the ones who put money away automatically, every single month. Even when it's not convenient, the market goes up. They invest. The market goes down. They invest. The world panics. They invest. Because they're not investing in today. They're reinvesting in their future self. The version of you that doesn't want to work until you break your back. Consistency beats intelligence. Discipline beats luck. And time beats everything. Most people are scared of investing, but they're not scared of being broke. Isn't that crazy? People say, investing is risky. But you know what's truly risky? Depending on one single paycheck. Working a job that can replace you in 48 hours. Going into your 40s, 50s, and 60s with absolutely nothing saved. Waking up one day and realizing you traded your entire youth for money, and you spent all the money. That is real risk. Investing, that's just insurance for your freedom. If you keep playing small, you will live small. You cannot tiptoe your way to wealth. You can't build a legacy with the leftovers of your income. You can't build a strong financial future if you constantly tell yourself, I'll just start next month. Start now. Start small. But for the love of your future, start. You can invest $5, $20, $100. It doesn't matter what the amount is. Just be consistent. A tiny seed doesn't turn into a massive tree in a single day. But if you never plant it, it never becomes anything at all. Investing is the great divider. Take two people who make the exact same income. One invests. The other one spends everything. Fast forward 10 years. One of them has choices. The other one has excuses. Fast forward 20 years. One is financially free. The other is financially trapped. Nothing in their lives changed, except for one thing. One of them respected their future enough to act. So stop thinking you're too broke to invest. Most people aren't broke. They're just mismanaging their money. They have money for fast food, for drinks with friends, for subscriptions they completely forgot about. They have money for new shoes, the latest gadgets, and for things they absolutely don't need. They have money for weekends. They won't even remember in a year. But the moment someone says, invest, they act like you asked them to donate a kidney. Let me be ruthless again. If you can afford to spend money, you can afford to invest money. This is not a money problem. It's a priority problem. It's about deciding what you truly want. Do you want temporary satisfaction now, or do you want permanent freedom later? Your future self is begging you to wake up. Right now, imagine the 60-year-old version of you. Imagine the look on their face when they realize you wasted decades instead of investing. Now, imagine the opposite. Imagine the pride in their eyes, the peace in their heart, the freedom they have, the life you built for them because you decided today to take investing seriously. Every single dollar you invest today is a gift to your future self. It's a vote of confidence in the person you are becoming. So, let's bring it all home. The final message is this. Investing is not about the stock market. It's not about crypto. It's not about real estate. Investing is about deciding that you deserve more than just surviving. It's about building a life where you are in control. It's about starting now, not later. It's about building your wealth piece by piece, day by day, choice by choice. You want a better life? Then do what most people won't. Invest consistently, relentlessly, fearlessly. Because the person who takes investing seriously becomes the person everyone else calls lucky later. And trust me, luck has nothing to do with it. Thank you for listening. If this woke you up, make sure to subscribe and share it with someone who needs to hear it.